Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on charging JBL Flip speakers. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Plug the charger that came with your speaker into a power source. Then plug the USB-C end of the charger into this corresponding hole in the speaker. The light panel will start blinking to indicate that it is charging. You can see the progress of the charge based on where in the panel it is blinking. The far right side of the panel is low battery, and the far left side of the panel is full. When the speaker battery is fully charged, the light panel will be full and then will turn off. So when there is no light on in the panel, your speaker is fully charged. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more JBL speaker tips and tricks.